right, so the guys are ripping off all the siding on the house. It was really in bad shape. You can see it up there. The paint's peeling, the boards are rotting. But look here, underneath the siding, what we're uncovering. We're uncovering different types of paper. So right here, this is a rosin paper, and this is a lightweight felt paper. And what these do is this is actually a separation from the face of the sheathing to the back side of the siding. So Deliandro, what's your plan for covering the sheathing before you install the siding?
So we have this state-of-the-art product that we're going to be putting up on the walls. Okay. It's self-adhesive material, so it has a very good stickiness to it.
Yep.
That way we can put it without staples or anything like that.
Yeah.
It's a vapor permeable material.
Right.
And it's also air sealed, so basically it allows the house to breathe.
But it also keeps it nice and tight.
Perfect, yeah, exactly.
And the type of insulation that you have, you want to make sure that those cavities are kept tight because you don't want the air to move in there and lessen the R value of that insulation. And that's important. I also like the fact that it is stuck to the face of the sheathing, because the more staples you put in it, the more penetrations you can create. So that's good, and it's also nice and tight against the wall also.
Yes, yeah, exactly. So that way it also eliminates all the need for all the staples, right?
Right. So you want to hand getting the rest of the siding off?
Yes, yes. We'll get to it right now.
Okay, sounds good. So you're going to nail off all of the sheathing?
Yes.
That's good because it tightens it back up to the structure. It does a couple of things. It actually makes the house stiffer because the nails are moving away with time. They're sitting here, the wood expands and contracts, the nails loosen up, the boards come out. You're pushing them back, you're making it flatter, but that strength that you're giving back by nailing it helps with the vibration, the movement, the wind, and everything else from a house going back and forth. So you're really stiffening up the structure. It's a good thing.
Awesome. So should we keep it up?
Absolutely.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.